Hey guys, Waffle here. Sorry about that. So, we're just going through, a random case. This is a random dump in Bennett Foods Co., 10 for 10 bucks, great deal, $1 each, McLaren P1. I'm so glad that I found this. The 85 CRX. There's a few more randoms. The Toyota Supra. The 98 Nissan 180 Type X. And some that fell on the floor. Porsche 943 Turbo RSR. Another one. These are their Falcon Zamax. Then Porsche 36A Outlaw. Spectre Aston DV10. You got the Firebird. Got this Camaro Concept. Surprisingly enough, we have these. Okay, Fig Rig. Oh guys, these are old. Urus. Porsche 993 GT2. Another Urus. And if you look at this 65 Impala. I think there was another one of these somewhere. It. Ooh, look what I found. Oh, nope. Sorry, I dropped it. Another 85 SX in that line. The yellow 01 Acura. Another 65 Impala. Nice M4. Those are cool. I'd be happy to find another one of those. The 90 Acura NSX. Bad matter too. Can't really tell what case it's from because it's an international card. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find another one of those M's. Those are some sweet. That's some sweet stuff. Oh. Not one of those super errors. I lied. I did find another one. Nice. Oh no. Dang it. I'm gonna put the M's over there. And the cars that I'm really gonna get are gonna be over here. Alright. time to look over here. I just grabbed another Prius, or not another Prius, dang it, Supra. Fairlane. Wow, look at these. There's so many Supras. There's 3. $17 NSX. Oh, you know, it's in the Then and Now series. Look at what I just pulled. The old Talladega. This is like they just took their, you know, their old bins, all their old pieces, ripped them open and put them in here. Oh. There's another one. You want to see something awesome? No, it's not a Super. First off, there's that. Second off, you want to know how I'm the first person to hit this? That's how you know. Let's go. That is funny. Oh my gosh. I am not faking this, guys. Look. Oh, this is a score. Guys, this is officially a flippin' score. Okay, look at this. 2 Let's Go Basics. An old Talladega. 17 NSX. 66 Ford 427 Fairlane. 2 Supras. BMW M4. Chevy Silverado. And the 73 Racer. This is a flipping score, my dudes. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, they still got the Halloween cars. Bone Shaker is still there. No. No freaking way, you gotta be kidding me. 3 Let's Go's. 3 Basics. 2 more of these CSL Racers. Another NSX. Oh wow, guys. Another Zamac one. Not the Super. Still no sign of a Super, guys. Porsche Turbo. Oh, yes, another 85 CXR. Man, every time I see this, I always think it's a T-Hunt. Man, these things are so old. I mean, look at this. That's a black Aston Martin. That's before the red one. Another Porsche. These are like all 2016 cars. Wow. Another Impala. A green and an orange muscle speeder. So let's grab some of the other cars. See if I can grab them with all one hand. Oh no. So we're going to search through this one. There's an NSX, which I do need. I need 2 of them though. Alright, we got 2 of them. Alright, so we're gonna look through this one, see what we can find. Oh, we got the bone shaker. Oh my gosh. Just look at me. Finding all this stuff. This Foods Co. is beast, my man. That was a Mustang. There. Nah. Oh, one more car. Aw, that's not what I thought it was. Alright. We got our cars. Let's do a recap. Okay. Gonna look over the BMW M4s first. I honestly do not know how many there are that I grabbed and found. Man, that car always confuses me. Okay, so there's 3 M4s. There are 2 of those. Two of those. Three of these, which I'm going to leave here. Alright, so the CRX is... Oh no! No, there are 3 Falcons. We are not gonna get that. Well, how did that get in there? Okay, so... CRXs, there are only 2. Alright. Look at this. A pair. 17 NSX and 90 NSX. And we got the same thing twice. Yeah. So those over there. Oh well. Look at this. I just found another one, so there's that one, and then that one. There are only 2 of these in the dump bin case thingy. It's so similar. Like these things, so similar. I have both of these. From what I know of, there are 3 Toyota Supras, which are da bomb. One of these. A lot of those, which I'm not gonna get. Then another one I just pulled out because I liked it. Then 3 basics.
You have an extra toothpaste?
I have one in the drawer,
Okay.
but then we're gonna need more.
Use it.
Oh no, you're fine. Peace, guys.